Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fresh iOS update and the problems some iPhone users are encountering. It's a fascinating look at how even minor updates can have unexpected consequences. So, Apple recently released iOS 26.3.1, a seemingly minor point update. On the surface, it adds support for new Studio Display models and promises some bug fixes. But as we all know, updates aren't always as smooth as they seem. Let's dive into the issues people are reporting. One of the most common complaints is network connectivity problems. Users are finding their iPhones suddenly unable to connect to the internet, whether through Wi-Fi or cellular data. It's like your phone just decides to go on a digital strike. Another issue is the SIM card error, leaving users unable to make or receive calls and texts. It's like your phone is suddenly speaking a different language your network can't understand. Then there are the permission prompts. Some users are getting constant reminders to authorize location access for Apple's first-party apps. It's like your phone is having an identity crisis and needs constant reassurance of who it is and where it is. Moving on, some users are reporting that their Apple Watch apps or complications are disappearing after the iPhone update. It's like your iPhone is playing a cruel trick on your Apple Watch, leaving it confused and incomplete. AirDrop, a feature many of us rely on, is also causing issues. Updated iPhones are struggling to find other Apple devices nearby, making file sharing a frustrating experience. Performance-wise, some users are noticing slower app loading times, black screen crashes, and increased phone heat. It's like your iPhone is suddenly feeling the pressure and overheating under the strain. Safari, a browser many of us rely on, is also misbehaving. It's getting stuck in compact layout mode, refusing to switch even after a restart. It's like Safari is having an identity crisis of its own, unsure of how it wants to present itself. And then there are the hardware-related issues. Some users are reporting front camera failures and microphone problems during calls. It's like your iPhone is suddenly developing a fear of being seen and heard. Even screen time, a feature designed to help manage our digital habits, is causing issues. App limits are failing to reset properly, leaving some apps blocked even when they haven't been used that day. It's like your iPhone is trying to punish you for something you didn't even do. Lastly, CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity are causing headaches for some users. It's like your iPhone is suddenly developing a fear of social interaction, struggling to connect with other devices. Now, it's important to note that these issues aren't affecting everyone. Some users are reporting a smooth experience with no battery or overheating issues. But the volume and specificity of these complaints are worth paying attention to. So, should you update? If your iPhone is stable and you're not relying on any of the affected features, you might be fine. But if you're heavily dependent on AirDrop, mobile data, Safari, screen time limits, or your front camera and microphone for work, it might be worth holding off for now. Remember, Apple says iOS updates cannot be downgraded after installation through the normal update path. So, it's a decision worth considering carefully. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.